In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Now you need to click on one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!